Listen to these examples.
I'd like a milkshake.
I'd like some cookies.
Now it's your turn. Speak when you hear the bell.
I'd like a hamburger.
I'd like some cookies.
I'd like some fries.
I'd like a hot dog.
I'd like a steak.
I'd like some cupcakes.
I'd like a soda.
I'd like some donuts.
I'd like some pancakes.
I'd like a sandwich. I'd like some muffins.
I'd like a milkshake.
What is the rule? Leave a comment below.
A milkshake. Some cookies.
A hamburger. Some fries.
A hot dog. Some cupcakes.
A steak. Some donuts.
A soda. Some pancakes.
A sandwich. Some muffins.
Are there any questions? Leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.